Welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's been a month and a bit since I've last uploaded, but I thought it was time for my comeback, just like Blackpink yesterday. Anyone else a K-pop fan like Blackpink? They just came out with their new song, yesterday. What? What the? And that song is pretty good, so I'll totally recommend you listening to it if you're a fan. Okay, so today I am back with a try-on haul. It's not like a big one, it's quite a small one, but I thought that I would do it anyways because it has been so long since I've given you guys a video. Not that a lot of you guys really watch my videos, but I thought do it because it's fun for me. I went into Central and I went into Zara, Stradivarius and a couple of other random stores and ended up getting like one or two things from each store, but I think Topshop I got a couple of things. But yeah, I'll show you what I got now. Okay, so the first store that I went into was Zara and ended up walking in there for like half an hour, going round and round. Literally could not find anything except a pair of shoes. And these are the shoes. They're just like white and black sneakers. They look like this. They have like sock material inside, like this bit here. So when you're wearing it, it looks like you've got socks on already, but it's just the back bit. I've tried them on and they were really comfy, and they also have this like not print but like writing on the sides. It says, "Future is in our hands, creative people to be united for a better world. Imagine the dream where love will run the world." I thought that was cute, and I think that this would just go with anything because it's a pair of white trainers, and these were $29.99. So I went into was Uniqlo and I ended up getting like one thing. As you know, if you guys have ever been in Uniqlo, their stuff are very basic looking, like very simple and plain. So I went in there just to see what I could get to lounge around at home with, and ended up getting these kind of like pajama bottoms. I don't know if they are pajama bottoms, but these are 3/4 lengths, very wide legged, and I feel like I could wear these out if I was cool enough, but probably not. But I'll probably wear these at home because they are very stretchy and just very baggy, so they'll be really comfortable to lounge around with. So yeah, right, so next store is Topshop, and ended up getting the most stuff in Topshop. The first one is this, a very simple black tee. It's like a cropped tee. It has "Darling" written on the side, and it has really cute ruffle sleeves, and also it has it on the bottom as well, which I thought was very cute and just simple to wear with anything. Right, so next piece I have here is a dress. I mean, I wouldn't wear it on its own because I tried it on its own. I didn't feel it fitted right on me, like on its own, but I wore it with a white shirt underneath and I thought it looked really cute. So it's this spaghetti strapped, I'm gonna call it a dress, and it has like buttons going all the way down, so you have to button it all the way down. So I thought it was really nice and cute piece to wear during the summer, also spring. So yeah, I got that, and that was £18, which is quite a good one. So next up is another dress that I could wear with or without a shirt underneath, depending on the weather. It's this very cute, colourful polka dot dress that has very thin spaghetti straps, and it just is above the knee, I would say. Above the knee dress, and I thought that would be really cute during any season, to be honest. Depends how you wear it. So I thought that would be a cute one. And this was £26. Oh, cute. Right, so next up is a favourite piece of mine from Topshop that I got. It's this really nice and cute white blouse. So it looks like this at the front. It has buttons on the front and has these like ruffles as well. Is it ruffles that flap around? And then the sleeves, I love the sleeves. It's a massive baggy sleeve, and then it goes like fat to like skinny. Not very good at describing, but you'll see when I try it on. And also it has a tie up on the back of the neck as well. I thought it was really cute to pair with like a pair of denim skirt or something like that. I don't know, we'll see when I try it on. But this one was a little bit pricier. Remember, this one's the most expensive one. This was £35. Yeah. Okay, last piece that I got from Topshop. I thought that I got more from Topshop, but I guess not. But I got these pair of earrings. I thought they would look really cute, just like on the go if I'm going out. Just put these on because I never wear dangly earrings. I always go for like studs. So I thought that I'll change it up with these because I thought that these look cute. And these were £6.50. Cute. What I went into was Stradivarius, and I ended up getting this trousers. Very funky. I would never wear anything like this, but I don't know, I'm just being very like daring. Just wearing, I know it's not really a big deal, but it's very like out there. I feel like stripy black and white trousers, but these are stretchy at the back and you tie it up at the front. They are 3/4 length. Well, they say it's 3/4 length, but on me it's like full length because I have really short legs. So we'll see how that fits on in a moment. So that's that, and I got this for £17.99, which is not bad. The last thing that I got from Stradivarius is this grey and white striped blazer cover up, I would say. It's like not a very thick material or not too thin, so I feel like this would be a great wear during spring. So it has this rolled up sleeves with like a button that you can undo, so you can undo the sleeves to make them a bit longer. And also has slits down both sides, and also comes with pockets, which is not a bad thing, which is great. So this was £25.99. Oh, two more things that are not clothing related, but I went into Selfridges and ended up getting two makeup pieces. One from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is the Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil, and I got it in the shade medium brown because that is my shade. And then also went into the NARS counter and got myself a new creamy concealer in the shade Light One Chantilly, because I have run out of my one to the bone. Literally, it's dried up and it's dead. So I needed to get myself a new one, so I did. Okay, now that I have it on, I'm not really sure. I feel like it's a bit baggy. I don't know if, because I actually remembered when I went into the store, the model, like the fake model, was wearing it off the shoulder. So maybe that would, I don't know, work. But I feel like it's just too big, isn't it? Or should I go get a smaller size maybe? So I don't know. I'll see. We'll give it a go. Okay, so here is what it looks like. So obviously I wouldn't wear it with like this white shirt that I was wearing because it looks kind of odd, but I just wanted to try it on just to see if it fitted me, and it does. It's very like fitted to my like waist here, which is nice because it's kind of like cinches in, which is good, and the length isn't too short or too long, which is perfect. My knees are so dark. What the hell? Anyways, yeah, so I really like it. It's a great fit. Thumbs up. So here is the top that I got from Topshop that says Darling on it. It's like a perfect fit. It's not too big, not too tight, which is good. It's just really cute little staple piece. And then here is the trousers, which I absolutely love. These are so like comfortable, and they're just like the perfect length. I thought that they would be too long for me, but they're actually a great length. And then lastly, the shoes. Obviously I'm going to take the tag off and stuff. I actually really love them. They're really comfortable, and I'm gonna keep them all, yay! So that, and this outfit like is the outfit itself, right? Like everything just goes well together, which is good. So thumbs up for everything, yay! Right, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, do give it a thumbs up if you did, that will mean a lot, and I will see you in my next video, which will come out really soon, so wait for that. See you later, bye!